I'm just fixing to water the mums. Getting the leaves out of them. Well, yeah, Manly calls them plums.
It's here for the wheelbarrow.
This is one of the babies, y'all. See? They're not babies anymore.
They're just as big as the others.
It is just now about 2 o'clock, I think, maybe a little after 2. And it already looks like it's 5 o'clock in the evening. That I don't love, but there are no mosquitoes, so that's a plus. These ants keep wanting to get on the pumpkins. Manly likes to be the leaf blower. This week's date night, we went to Rib Country. We've taken y'all there a bunch of times. So we went to Rib Country, and now we came up here and got us a coffee at Yona Coffee Company down there, and we're people watching. Oh, that's a nice car. Nice car.
Let me show them that car.
Yeah. We're going to get
all these blocks.
chocolate covered strawberries.
I don't know if we showed them all the blocks the other day.
Oh, we didn't get up close.
Let's get up close. Look at the tree, everybody.
Yeah, everybody's getting their picture made in front of the tree.
There's the logs.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody. I just need to get 6 of these dark. Yeah.
Y'all, we use these bathrooms down here, and Titus was like, we can just go up those stairs over there, you know? So we stepped up, and when you come out from under that roof, this is what you see.
It's a lot of Rocky Balboa here. I mean, what? Why we got in there and sit on the gazebo?
Well, I think somebody just went in
Mama,
there.
if we step in there, they'll move.
Oh, I don't know, Daddy.
Oh, Mama, all we gotta do is
Let's just wait and
look,
see if
all
they
I
want
need
to.
is, if I go in there and do something, I walk in the gazebo, everybody's in there, having a good time, I might. I'm just kidding. I know a lot of people take stuff too serious, but we really want this gazebo for these 6. This half a dozen of strawberries.
Daddy, what if,
this is our date
let's
night.
just do, what if we just keep walking past, back and forth, back and forth?
Look. If you do that kind of stuff.
Look, I think it worked. I think it worked.
Yeah, they thought I was Bigfoot. Come on.
They were really leaving, y'all. We didn't really run them off.
Yeah, we just kidding. if anybody were to throw one of these,
Oh
they'd
my
think
goodness.
a Bigfoot was here.
A Bigfoot or
You know,
Ernest T. Bass, somebody.
Cheers. Oh, that thing, that's solid.
Here comes some people gonna try to do it to us, but we ain't gonna let them.
I'll handle it.
We ain't gonna let them.
No.
They've met their match.
Yeah.
Turns out they wasn't coming here.
Yeah, them people that y'all just heard about, those from Georgia, just like we are.
Oh, they're a little farther south than
They're
us,
further
I think.
south than us. They almost
Yeah.
had that little thing where we had to pay attention.
Right, or we wouldn't have known what they were saying.
We didn't know exactly what they were saying for a second.
Oh, look at that bird. There's so many
He's seen
places.
crazier.
There's so many places to see.
He's been looking over his whole town. He said, there's nothing right there. Got to go down the street a little bit.
There's so many places to sit, but if somebody's in here, it's like awkward, and they're like, never mind.
Everybody
Let's go.
wants this because it's such a, but you know,
It is a nice spot.
I'm holding it right now. Folks, we're going.
Yeah, here you go.
He ain't worried about
See, he ran
nobody.
us out.
See, he came in and started looking at us too hard, and we don't feel comfortable.
No,
So
we're
we're
out
leaving.
here.
We don't know if he might.
Let's just cut through the Central Park.
Let's go see. Yeah, we're gonna go through Central Park here. Folks, there are good smells that come out of this town right here.
And now we're at Big Lots. We're gonna go in here and see what they have going on before we head back home to make supper. What is it?
It's fall.
It is fall. Let's go. The all new Big Lots.
Let's go through this store.
Customer appreciation event 10/9 through 10/12. 10% off your entire purchase. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a wagon wheel. Maple pumpkin donut candle. Those are cute. And they have Christmas. That is a speaker. I think you asked that the last time we came here.
How much is it though? I'm just
$20.
asking. $20 is very cheap.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
They've moved stuff around in here too. All the snack stuff used to be over there.
Yeah.
2 of those would be as big as you.
When I get old enough for a truck, I'm definitely gonna get a car one of these.
You are. It smells like somebody's grilling a cheeseburger. You smell that smell? Loaded cheeseburger fries is what's for supper.
I think ketchup mustard on mine, yeah. Folks, we've just did something different. You know those last 3 bites that's all over your
Fell
plate?
out, yeah.
It's the fallout cheeseburger.
The idea looked better in my head. If we had some of those little, you know, like the nacho containers that you get, and
Folks, it don't matter what it looked like in her head, this is gonna be good. Right?
Yeah.
I tell you.
it's the plate that it's on. It needed to be in like a little chili cheese fry container, red and white checkered thing, you know.
Close your eyes when you eat these kind of meals, right?
Yeah.
They still taste good. You know
It's
what I
gonna
mean?
be good. That's gonna be tasting like a cheeseburger casserole. See? I can see the joy all over your face.
That's really good. I'm not kidding.
It's another one of those just close your eyes. But actually, you don't even have to, you know? It's
No, you can eat this with your eyes open.
yeah. We're back in the park.
We're gonna smell some of these good smells.
Oh yeah, it's smelling good now, but you know it ain't nothing compared to them cheeseburger fries you just had. No comparison.
No comparison.
Yeah, well, plates were clean, so that means it was good, you know?
Oh, yeah. I went back for a second.
We're getting Lazy Day stew in the slow cooker. I already put a family size pack of stew meat in there. This is really easy. Everything's gonna go in here. We don't have to cook anything first. We just gotta chop up some carrots and potatoes real quick. Putting in about a tablespoon of garlic powder, some salt and pepper. Okay, got that mixed together. We've got some fresh green beans. We're just gonna snap them. We need about 1.5 cups. I love snapping beans. Okay, we're gonna put in this family size can of cream of mushroom soup. And I'm gonna fill it about halfway with water. That's it. It's gonna cook on high for 5 hours.
Fixing to make some cookies, everybody. Every year, I get in a cookie making mood. And a lot of times it don't turn out right, folks. But one of these days, I'm gonna nail it. We're gonna start out with some oats. We're gonna have some honey. We're gonna have some pumpkin. And I'm thinking real ginger. Or do we got any ginger powder here?
I think we do, yeah.
A little bit of cinnamon.
Cinnamon bread.
And we do, yes. We got some ground ginger. All right, let's make some cookies. Okay, we're going a smidgen of cinnamon. I want to go in with, so I'm going in, these are going to be good. All right, folks, I'm getting a little bit. You really can't have too much honey. So we did a good heaping spoon here, as y'all can see. We got 2 pumpkin plops here. Let's check these bad boys. Well, all right, everybody, let me grab something.
Okay.
There you go, folks. Folks, my cookies are a little crumbly. Well, that one there, see.
They're nice and they're
See that? Now you gotta keep in mind they need to set for about 10 minutes. But that's what I got right there.
What do you think, Manny? Thumbs up? Thumbs up and down? Straight line.
If I was trapped on an island, I did something wrong, I'll tweak this a little bit and we'll get back with you on the later episode. Brother Pillsbury gonna save his bad boy. That's all that cookie needs.
See, that just transformed.
You completely forget about the cookie.
Yeah.
And your taste buds immediately go to that frosting. Everything's fine right there. Just so y'all know, Fallon loads a video every single day. For some reason.
Sundays.
Except for Sundays, sometimes on Sundays. During the week, Monday through Saturday, there's a video every day. For some reason, you can go to, even like on my channel, because I do videos for my customers on that channel, and I was at a farm the other day and I was gonna pull up a video that I know for sure is on there, because you can go to the laptop
Or the TV.
and pull up my channel and it's on there. But if you go to like their phone and pull it up and try to show them, it won't be on there.
Yeah, it don't
I'm
show.
just trying to tell you, like, I don't know why it's doing that, but like you're not seeing, some of y'all are not seeing the videos at all. It don't matter even if you search the channel.
Or you could see it on the phone, but not on the TV.
What you're gonna have to do is, if you wanna watch the video, you have to go to another device.
Yeah. I have a lot of people like say, how did I miss this video? And it's because of that. For some reason,
It's something to do with YouTube.
it's some kind of glitch. Hopefully they'll fix it soon.
This is Tyler's big time expensive. I know a lot of people would want one of these right here. They actually have this.
With all those cracks.
This is my channel I use for my customers, okay? Now, I show them their horses and stuff, okay, when they're in training. I wanted to show a customer the other day this video right here, shoeing horses in training, okay? Just put it up 3 weeks ago. Okay, now you just go right here into Titus Moss. I want to show you this right here. That way you really know. Okay, you go to videos. That video is not on there. See that?
Yeah.
Skips it. Right here it is. Look, now see?
Yeah, it's right after that one.
All right, and it's that one and that one. It skipped that one.
In between, oh, I didn't mean to press that. In between that one with the horses and that one, there's a video.
There's a video.
On the phone, you can't see it.
You can't see it, okay?
It's not in between.
There's actually several on here. They're on there, but you're gonna have to go to another device. Like I say, even if you type it in on the TV, these videos are on the TV and on here, but they're not on phones.
Right, or it might be
So-
on your phone, but not on TV. Just switch devices, because That the one channel, it's a lot of them, but the one that I was talking about, we cannot see any of their past 2 months videos on a phone.
Right.
But on the TV, we can see it.
Yeah.
But
so-
if you look, if you even actually go to their channel and hit videos, it's going to tell you their last video was over 2 months ago now, probably.
And it's
But
not.
they upload every Wednesday and Sunday, but we can see it on the TV.
Yeah,
So,
it's weird. So all I'm saying is get you some frosting, make some of these cookies, and get you another device. It's a lazy day.
lazy day stew.
That's really good.